In this video, I'm going to discuss price lists regarding inventory. Price lists can be used to offer products regularly at a lesser price for loyal customers. It can offer a higher price for one-time customers, but it can also offer different prices to organisations in different countries or to vendors who provide regular or occasional offer on items. So first of all, let's create a price list. So we have price list enabled and we can create the price list. So new price list. So let's say this is an autumn special. Let's say that it's going to go on sales and that we want it on all our customers. So let's say we want to do a markup of a markdown, should I say, of around 20%. And we're going to go down to the nearest whole number. Once this has been done, we can assign this to a particular customer. So if we go to sales and we go to our customer, let's go to marine systems and let's edit this. And let's say the price list is specific for this particular customer. So now what we can do is we can apply that price list on a transaction. So if we go to a sales order and we can say here that we can do a item. We can choose here the autumn special and it has the autumn special here. So we look at item 3. We can see this usually sells for £23. However, because we have deducted this for 20%, because that's our autumn special, it's now retailing at £18. In my next video, I will show you how to import a price list that is only available on certain items instead of the whole group of items that are currently available within Zoho Inventory.